Hello and welcome to the MonoVM YouTube channel. Today, we're going to learn how to use the Traceroute command on MikroTik routers. Traceroute is a handy tool for troubleshooting network connectivity issues, and with MikroTik, it's straightforward to use. Start by opening Winbox and connecting to your MikroTik router. Enter the IP address, username, and password, then click Connect. Once connected, navigate to the left sidebar and hover over Tools. From the drop-down menu, select Traceroute. The Traceroute window will open. Here, you can fill in the fields with the desired information. For example, we'll traceroute to Google's DNS server 8.8.8.8. Click Start to initiate the traceroute process. You'll see each hop along the path to the destination and the response times. To stop the traceroute process, simply click Stop. During the traceroute process, you can also check the Use DNS box to resolve IP addresses to hostnames. Click Start again to see the process with DNS resolution enabled, and remember to click Stop when you're done. Learn how to perform a traceroute on MikroTik routers using Winbox in our latest tutorial on our MonoVM YouTube channel. Traceroute is a vital tool for troubleshooting network connectivity issues, and with MikroTik, it's easy to use. Watch now to master the MikroTik Traceroute command and enhance your networking skills. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share if you find this video helpful.